Fox News extreme weather alert. Hurricane Matthew moving closer to the United States as it leaves a path of destruction across the Caribbean. Estimates now show a direct hit on the East Coast could affect more than 15 million people. In Florida, the governor, Rick Scott, is now warning people in his state that they could face their biggest evacuation in history, telling people, and I'm quoting the governor now, "If you're able to go early, leave now," unquote. Today, President Obama reminded everybody in the storm's path to be very alert.
Everybody needs to be paying attention and following the instructions of your local officials. And if you get an evacuation order, just remember that you can always rebuild, you can always repair property, you cannot restore a life if it is lost, and we want to make sure that we minimize any possible loss of life or risk.
I want to get right to Rick Reichmuth, who's in the Extreme Weather Center after looking at these videos. Rick, is there a new forecast? I see this loop this morning.
Yeah, interesting. Maybe in the long run of this. In the short term, it weakened as it spent that time over Haiti, and even this little eastern tip of Cuba weakened it a little bit with the mountainous terrain, but it's back over the water here and likely will strengthen. It's down to a Category 3 storm. Doesn't make that much of a difference, Category 3 or Category 4, but you get the idea here. Take a look at that water temperature, 89 degrees. The water's very, very warm here across the Bahamas, and it is also not mountainous at all. So none of those islands, about 700 islands in the Bahamas, will break the storm apart at all, so likely to strengthen. This is a future radar of one of the models that we look at, and this model takes it a little bit offshore. That would certainly be good news. The trend has been closer and closer to the shore, and this is a forecast here. That orange, tropical storm force winds. The red there is hurricane force. And then white, which we're going to see pop up on here, is major hurricane. Take a look there. By tomorrow afternoon, Shep, we have tropical storm winds on shore in Florida.